Going against my strongest legend, Spark Thomas. Gotta tell you that. And it looks like now I got 13. So this for a 13 subscribe. Wait, was that Libby who subscribed or was it Game Breaker 64? Good, let's go see who phones rings first. Libby's are Game Breakers. Let's just continue. If you didn't know, Game Breaker 64 is my true enemy. If you didn't know that, my true enemy. Who's rude, Thomas and friends. Mess it up, like, come on. I'm stupid. So after this, it's gonna be Road Songs 16. Last one of this year. Maybe a lot of. And when I say that in the video. Finals. Kevin. Dun dun dun. This is Henry. I want to know who phones rings. Libby's or Game Breakers. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Kevin. Wait, guys. I forgot I said at the beginning of the video. Against our champ. If you don't know how I taped the balloon on the sender. But now we have the finals. My champion Spark Thomas versus Kevin. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, Kevin, I'm gonna get defeat my Spark Thomas.